Alright, so today I'm going to create a tool that I'm going to use it for my next video, and probably you're going to use it as well. So let me show you what I'm building. So if you probably making video or recording video, you probably see this kind of effects right here, like the chat effects right here. I want to build a tool that can actually simulate this kind of thing. So let's do that. Right now it's 2026, so we don't actually really kind of code anymore. So we're going to use the AI to do it. So I'm here in my cursor. I just initialize my next projects and also Shatian as well. So let's actually prompt and do this. So let's see how well I'm going to prompt this one. I'm not sure if I can do it or not. So, okay. Okay, so right now I just completed the prompt. It took me like 5 minutes. I don't know. So, and the final tips right here, I don't know if it's good. So I'm just gonna do like, please do it, boss. Or buddy. Right now I treat like the cursor as like a boss. And so if you don't know, I'm using the cursor and I'm using the model opus right here. I think I'm using the agent mode. Okay, nice. This is the entire prompt, so you can pause the video and read the prompt. So my prompt is not really good, but yeah, I don't know. Let's see. So right now, let's click run. Let's see how well it is. All right, so right now it looks like it's working. So it's complete. So it's asking me to run this dev command to start a project. So which I am going to click allow or click run this one. I think I can actually run by myself as well. So if you look at the code right here, there's only 400 lines of code, which is great. Let's see. Okay, there's a lot of things right here. What's going on in this one? Run the terminal, there is some error. So I'm gonna stop right here, so which is okay. I think we can stop, please. It's okay. I can run it by myself. Let's click on the terminal. We're gonna do run the npm run dev and see what it's like. Okay, why there's a 10 stack right here? I think the reason is because I have another project that I run with 10 stack. So I'm gonna close it real quick and come back to you. Okay, so now I'm back. So let's run this one again. Let's open this one. There we go. So this is what it looked like. Let's open up on the big screen so we can see it's a little bit better. Okay, so there's nothing right here. I don't know what's going on. So we have John and Sarah. We have like John message, Sarah reply. Let's say this is John, this is message. So let's just actually play animation and see what it's like. Hey, how are you? Doing great. Damn. Actually really nice. Okay, so you can see this is look really great and I really love it. Let's see again. I'm not sure if I want this one or not. So John is the sender and the Sarah is a name. So let's actually remove all of these things. So we can do. So let's do my name is Hein and this is clients. So because I want to simulate clients, let's say Hein message. Hi. We add and then the client's reply is gonna be what's up. Let's play the animation. Hi, Hein. Okay, we got some bug. We did not, oh, I forgot to click add right here actually. Hi, and then we get what's up. Okay, actually this is look really good. As you can see, this is like simulate the style of the mobile. But the thing is, I don't want to have like the mobile background right here because later on I'm just gonna use only like the names, the avatar, and the what's up right here. So we don't want these versions. I'm not sure if you want this version or not, but we want to remove like the background. We just have the conversation only. Okay. Maybe I'm just gonna save this version. So right now I'm just gonna create another page. It's like version 1. So for example, if you guys want to go with version 1, you can just go for that as well. Just gonna copy the whole thing and I'm gonna paste it right here. So right now let's update the version right here. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, I'm gonna write another prompt. Okay, so right now I'm running another prompt. So I think actually in cursor, what you can do is you can actually click on it and tell it's like this element I don't want, this element is I want, something like that as well. But let's see how this prompt go, and let's see the result. Right now I'm going back to learn the Germans. Okay, look like the new update is just updated, so let's see what it's like. So we go back here and let's do the setting, hi, what's up, right here, and then we can just do reset. Let's see, and then replay, hi, what's up. Okay, this is cool, but I think people are gonna use this one on the mobile phone, and if people are gonna screen record this one, I'm not sure. So we want the conversation start from the top, not at the bottom. So I'm gonna make another prompt. I want the conversations Okay, I don't think it's like if we do on the top, it's good, but I think let's just do in the middle. The middle is actually better. So if people are gonna screen record that, so they can screen record the entire things, and then they can crop out the setting and the replay button at the end. Let's see. I think that's what I would use. Yeah, I think right now it's made to the middle, but it's actually click send the resend button and the replay to that as well. For the replay and the, I think reset, okay, yeah, and reset, put it at the bottom. Okay, so I think this is going to be done. This is going to be good. All right, let's see. It's syncing, so I think this is, as you can see, is really powerful tools right now, and I don't know, like I'm really addicted to using this. It's become, I'm not sure like it become worse or better. I don't know, but it really helped me a lot when I work on a project. So okay, right now, and after that, let's check the result. Okay, so reset this one, and we replay. Hi. Okay, what's up? Nice. And we restart the conversation. So this is like the default conversation that people have. So let's play this one. Okay, so you can see it's not bad, right? And all right, so this is great, and then people can just screenshot this one and they can do that. So we have the sender, we have this one, and I think for the UI for the sender is a little bit off. And then let's do it. Let's see if I want to fix this one. I think since I do not write any code of this, I'm not gonna fix it. So let's do this one. Let me show you the other way. So for example, if I can close to this one, I can just click on this one, and then wait, I don't think this is the one, right? Okay, right now I'm kind of new of using cursor with this one as well. I believe this one. Nope. I think it's this one. Okay, actually it's actually select the element as well. And this one. So I'm gonna prompt this one for the reply here in mobile view port. Maybe I think we can like flex it. Put it below. Put it below sender, so UI 1 break on small screen. Okay, so here's the prompts that I just click select on the element, and I'm just gonna prompt this one. But see, I think since it used grid, so probably it's gonna really put this one is gonna be quick. Great. So as you can see right now, it's put below, and there we go. So people are going to use on mobile, it's going to be a lot easier for them. So I think that pretty much it. This is what I want, and this is what I'm going to use for my next project as well. I think I can prompt more version onto this ones, like adding like the background to, people can choose different background if they wanted to, and this kind of things right here. So I think maybe right now the project is finished, just like another pep talk. What do I think about this right now? I think going to 2026, whether you like it or not, AI is going to be there, and people are going to use it for work, and I think it's going to be a really great tool for us as a developer, so we can finish the projects faster. So as you can see, I have this idea that I want and this problem that I want to solve in just like, for I don't know, like 18 minutes that I record this video, and I'm doing this one, and I can finish these things. I can ship it, and then you guys can use it, everyone, my friends can use it as well. So you can see it's really easy, and yeah, I really love it. So I'm gonna do more project like this. I'm gonna create some cool shit, who knows. But hope you guys like this one, and I'll put the link in the description. So there's our first version as well. Don't forget, we have another first versions. This is, you can just go to the first version if you like the first version that I just like prompt. This is also really nice. We have like a chat, like a conversation, so which is cool. Yeah, see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's wipe code together for more video. Let's go.